Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Greetings from Colombia. I'm with a friend of mine. He's Matt Wagner.
From Estados Unidos.
Oh, he's coming from the United States and he's over here in Cartagena. He's going to start his own YouTube show, so you got to check him while we are over here in Cartagena, and we are going to Bazurto today. But first, you're going to see everything over here in Cartagena de Indias. We're going back over there to the Fort of Barahona so he can see and know a little bit about the convention center and what happened with the market plaza, la plaza de mercado, that went then on to Bazurto. I'm Nestor Melendez. Welcome to Greetings from Colombia. Hey, Matt.
Hey.
So we're going to the Bazurto market to see how everything is going. Estoy dándoles, ya todo el mundo acá en el bus sabe que yo estoy dando mi primer tour. Después de que marzo 15, imagínense, fue el último. O sea que acá ya todo el mundo me aplaudió, pero me van a dar otro aplauso por el primer tour y no les voy a pedir plata, tranquilos. Yo no vengo de retaque. You know what I'm telling them? I don't come over here on retaque, and retaque is like when they ask you for money in the bus. So we haven't had anyone that gets into the bus to ask for money. Le estoy explicando qué es el retaque al señor, pero bueno. We're going down on the next station, Matt. It's okay. We're going to get down over here. Muchas gracias a todos ustedes, que estén bien. You can see all the difference in how we are. This is a three ethnical city. So three ethnical means that this is a mix between the indigenous tribes that lived over here, the African that came over here from Africa and they became Afro-Colombians, and the Spanish. So this is a three ethnic city, and you can see it in the composition of the bus. So everybody is like, we are all different, but we are all Colombians. We are all Colombians, and that is the magic of Colombia. Esa es la magia de Colombia, que todos somos igualitos pero diferentes, ¿no? ¿Usted de dónde es, señora?
De aquí de Colombia, Cartagena.
De aquí, de Cartagena. ¿Tú de dónde eres?
Sucre.
De Sucre. ¿Señora?
Cartagena.
De Cartagena. ¿La señora de dónde es?
Córdoba.
De Córdoba, okay. They come from a region very near over here to Cartagena, that is Sucre, and he's from an indigenous tribe. He's heritage of the de Zenúes. Él tiene herencia de los Zenúes. Okay, man. Here at the station, at the Bazurto station. So before we get down, I'm going to explain you a little bit about it. I was telling you that in 1975 they took away from the Fort of Barahona, they took away the market plaza, and they brought it to this place over here. You see that mountain over there?
Yeah, is that the monastery?
Yeah, that is the monastery of La Popa. That was another one of the advantages of Cartagena, because from up there they could see anything around, moving around. You can go up there and you can see 360 degrees around. I'm going to take you over there to the Popa mountain, but first we're going to get into the Bazurto market, okay? So please, we're going to get into the Bazurto market. So Matt, come please with me, and I'll be back with you in a few minutes. Look here, you can see here all the herbs, and she has all the herbs from ginger to all the herbs they have over here. Look at lupa over here, el estropajo, the lupa. This is so expensive in the United States, it's incredible. ¿Cuánto cuesta este?
3,000 y 4,000.
3,000 and 4,000 pesos. You can get one of these in the States, like for $10 or something. ¿Qué pasó? Look at it.
Si no traigo mañana es sábado. Tengo una quebrada.
A 1,300 pusieron de
Vamos a jugar piña.
Oh, he's doing the coco to him. Like it's a special kind of haircut. He's doing the coco over here. Let's go over here. I'm going to show you something. So in Cartagena, they go out and they do like parties in the community, like, and the parties are announced with, oh my God, you know, party. Look at this, though. They have all the accessory over here. It's very nice. I like it a lot. Here you find all these handcrafts. These ones are for the
fanning.
The fan. You know that? And look at this. Look at the lupa here. Hola.
Hola.
Okay, this is corn flour. They're making corn flour, yellow corn flour and white corn flour. And you see they're putting on the flour over there. The maize, the corn. And there it goes. Look at it. There it goes. And it goes out like that. $1,000 está barato, están buenos los precios, ¿no?
Claro que sí.
Está bien la cosa, so you can feel it. Let's go, Matt.
Amigo, bien, Colombia.
Bien, hermano, esa vaina.
Colombia,
Look here, the lulo is a little bit excruciated, so that is why it's so.
Looks like a persimmon, but it's not.
What?
It almost looks like a persimmon, but it's not. It's,
I don't know that one.
it's a fruit from a tree.
Yeah, this one's from a tree, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, fruit is from the...
Look, this is different plátano from the one we saw up there. And look at the
Oh,
coconuts.
you have coconuts. Who
Yeah.
would have thought? In the Caribbean.
Look at that.
You too.
Okay. There you have potato, ñame, yuca. Well, everything you know over here. Salud, mi hermanito. Que tiene cara de boxeador mosca, ¿sí o no? Míralo. Esa pinta de...
Like a raspberry.
Yeah, that's raspberry.
Now what is
That is curuba. Esta es curuba, ¿no?
Yes.
Ah, eso es maracuyá. Maracuyá. And pineapple.
Y piña.
A la orden.
Usted está oyendo la palabra, bro, pero usted tiene que leerla. Usted está oyendo la palabra, pero usted tiene que leer la palabra. Usted mujer, usted amigo que está aquí trabajando. Usted está oyendo la palabra, pero tiene que comer también. Amén. Usted tiene que tomar la Biblia y meditar con la palabra que, aleluya, para ver si es cierto lo que él está hablando.
So look at this beautiful one. This is a fruit called corozo. It's like a kind of citric fruit. It is only given and made or cultivated in the Caribbean coast of Colombia. So it's like a kind of a grape, between a grape and a cherry, something like kind of that kind of family. And there you have the guayaba, yeah. Hola. Now we're going to the other part. Go for the other entrance over there. See this kind of a store I'm telling you? It has everything. Like you can get anything. You ask for it and you get it. Hey, her name is Araceli. Look at this. Look at those lobsters, and this fish soup is like wonderful. And they have all this. This rice is superb. This is crab rice also here, and this is like shrimp and fish delicacies, seafood rice. And you can see up here from meat to shrimp and coconut rice over there. Let's go on. Hola.
Hola. Now, how is the, have they overfished this area? You understand, like...
Well, there's some fishes that have been overfished, like the pearls. They took all the pearls. Look, they give you the fish with yuca. Siempre que vengo acá con la señora, she fries very good fish. Look at this fish. Hoy no voy a comer, no tengo todavía hambre, pero ajá, yo vuelvo. I always come over here when I get here. I like her, and she's one of the famous girls over here. Ceci, she's one of the. This is one of the famous restaurants. Ceci es ella. She's Ceci. She's one of the famous girls. Es una de las más famosas acá del mercado de pescado. ¿Cuánto llevas acá en el mercado?
40 años.
40 years in the market. And what is your specialty?
De marisco, codea,
Shrimp rice, total,
pescado.
and fish. And she has this mote de queso. You remember I was showing you?
Yeah.
The mote de queso. This is the soup I was telling you.
She's been here
40 years.
40? She doesn't even look over a day over 32.
Ya dice que no. Sniper. ¿Este qué es? And sábalo. That is a fish that is only found over here, like in the Caribbean coast of Colombia. Sábalo, I don't know how to translate it. ¿Cómo se llama? Marlin. How do you call sábalo?
Sábado.
¿Cómo lo llamas? El sábado de Marlin.
Le dicen aquí Marlin también.
Ah, acá también le dicen Marlin. Okay, so they sell with yuca. They sell here the yuca, and he has over here the guarapo. Guarapo is aguapanela y tal. Espérate, déjame cabellar. Look at that. She's very mad with the guy because he was sitting like where she shouldn't be sitting. Okay, let's get in. So look at this, man.
These are things that I think other people should see besides just like the main tour, which it's good. I mean, it's still, it might be a tourist place, but this is how like regular people live. So this is something almost like National Geographic in a way.
Yeah, you're not gonna. Well, I like to do my tours like this.
Yeah.
So like you feel like a local kind of thing.
Or even like one of those cooking shows. I think one of them has actually been here.
Yeah, Anthony Bourdain was over here, and he was over there at that restaurant we showed you at Cecilia. Anthony Bourdain, the famous chef, was over here. And this is the fish market over here at Cartagena at Bazurto Marketplace. And everybody's happy over here. Todo está comenzando de nuevo. So the tourists are coming back, and she's the juice lady. She does this, es la niña de los jugos las que los hace acá. So we're right here at the Bazurto market, and this is Greetings from Colombia. My name is Nestor Melendez. Keep on watching my show.